Hey viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am sharing some cake decoration ideas such as cupcake decoration ideas, and these are most fabulous, most amazing ideas. So hope you like the video. So if you like the video, so kindly subscribe our YouTube channel, like and share our videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you will get notifications of our updated videos. So these are the cute Christmas cupcake ideas. So you can bake them at home or even you can buy at the bakery. And these cupcakes can also use and also made for kids because these are so beautifully decorated cupcakes. The most easiest one is the snowman cupcakes. You can make snowman cupcakes and even you can make some Christmas tree like cupcakes or even some Santa like Christmas cupcakes. So guys, watch the video till end. Allah Hafiz.